In this tutorial, I was showing you how to solve compound interest. Here we have Elizabeth opened a savings account and deposited $800 as principal. The account earns 13% interest compounded yearly. What is the balance after 8 years? So to figure this out, we'll be using this equation. It's A is equal to P 1 plus I over N raised to the NT power. P is represented by the initial amount, I is represented by interest, N is represented by the compounded per year, T is represented by time, and A represents amount after, the total amount when you're done. So here we're going to go through this and plug these numbers in. So first when we find P, it says Elizabeth opened a savings account and deposited $800 as principal. P is the initial or principal. So you can write 800, parenthesis. Now when you put 1 plus, now we need to know what I, which is the interest. It says the account earns 13% interest. And now this has to be changed to a decimal. So we're going to take 13 and divide it by 100. And you'll get 0.13. So write that over, and now it needs to know what N. N is the compounded per year. And the compounded per year is either semi-annually, monthly, yearly, quarterly, or weekly. This one is yearly, so we'll put 1. And you close parentheses. Raised to the, then once N again, which is compounded per year, which is 1, times, and then there's T, which is represented by time. What is the balance after 8 years? That'll be our time. So write down 8, close parentheses. And now we're going to use a calculator. You'll type in this equation, 800, parenthesis, 1 plus 0.13 over, you should put divided by 1. You get add the parentheses, raised to the, and then put another parenthesis, 1 times 8. Click enter. And this is what you're going to get. 2126. That's what it'll be in dollars once you round it to the nearest integer. Now in this question, it says the mortgage is paid off in 30 years with a total of $124,000. It has a 2% interest rate that compounded monthly. What is the principal? So here it wants to know what the principal is, and it gave us a total. So A is the amount after, or the total. So we'll plug into the equation. So A, we know what that is. It's 124,000. Is equal to, and now we don't know what the principal is because that's what they're asking. So we're going to leave it as P, and open parentheses again, 1 plus I, which is the interest. We know that's going to be 2%, which is going to be 0.02, over N. Now here it says it's compounded monthly. And on a chart, monthly is 12, because it's 12 months in a year. Then close parentheses, raised to the, here you want the NT, time, T is time, which is 30 years, and N is compounded per year. So put compound per year is 12, because we're doing it monthly, and the time, which is 30, times 30. So now we're going to put this in this part of our equation in our calculator. So first let's drop the rest of this down. 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0 is equal to p, and now we're going to try and solve this. So when you open up your calculator, you put parentheses 1 plus 0.02 divided by 12, then get out of parentheses, is raised to the parentheses 12 times 30. When you hit enter, you get 1.8212. And we'll go to the third decimal place. So 1.821. Now we need to isolate p. So we're going to divide both sides by 1.821. I'll go back to the calculator. Input 124,000 divided by 1.821. Click enter. And here's what you'll get. And they want it rounded to the nearest cent. So we'll go to 2 decimal places after. So do 68094. .45. And that's how many dollars it is equal to P, which is the principal. So we found out that the principal is $68,094.45. That is how to calculate the compound interest. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.